What's up YouTube, this is V17 and I come with a review of um, the best selection candy toy Gaia or some Gaia memories, the best selection of the the Legend Rare series, whatever these are the Legend Rare series Gaia memories best selection. So I contacted Ryder Proxy. She said that she didn't have any more on their store, but she found an auction. I accepted that auction and she sent the memories to me, and and here they are. Yeah, nice. Thank you, Ryder Proxy. Thanks. Okay, so these are the 8 main memories. Yes, I think also the normal version, the Legend Rare series version, comes with the OS memory, but I don't care. That memory is not very entertaining. Oh, actually, yes, the Gashapon OS memory has more sounds. Okay, whatever. Okay, so I read almost 3 minutes. Okay, so let's check every memory. Let's start with double. Also, yeah, because the hologram is changed from double's face to their logo. Nice. It says double here. Yeah, cool. Let's hear their sounds. Nice, kind of like not low quality, but it doesn't sound like that higher quality as the deluxe versions or even the Gashapon versions, but still very cool. Although I didn't forget to mention it has sparkles. See, nice. And the sounds of the double sounds kind of slow. Okay, now let's go to the Kuga. This is one of my favorites because it has the mod sounds. First of all, let's see, it says Kuga here. It changed the logo from Kuga Marineford face to its logo. Nice. Awesome. Now, let's hear the sounds. Mighty. I think it's Pegasus, I don't remember actually. Sorry, that was Pegasus, the other one was Dragon. Actually, I don't remember those sounds. I cannot remember that, that's Ultimate. Yeah. Nice. Gold tip, golden tip, silver tip. Now the next one is Ryuki. Yeah. Golden tip, Ryuki's face and its logo. It says Ryuki here. Gold tip again. Now let's hear. Nice. I like that they have the advent sounds and there the attack and the final vent sound and then the attack. It's cool. Okay, although too bad it doesn't say survive. I had the survive sound, but still, it's very cool. Okay, face. Camera face. See, face, and you see its logo. Nice. It says here face. It's a silver tip. And as the other 3 memories, it also has sparkles. Yeah, I think the current version doesn't have sparkles, so another reason to get this one. I think I don't know, I haven't noticed. Whatever. Let's hear the sounds.
Standing by. Complete.
Nice. Now, I think it's an improvement of the other. I think it's same of the original face, which I don't have. Okay. Hibiki. Yeah, is golden tip. He has the hologram face of Hibiki, and its logo. It says Hibiki here. More sparkles, and okay, let's hear the sounds. Hibiki Henshin sound. Ibuki Henshin sound. Ibuki attack. I think that's either Sanki's or Todoroki's Henshin sound. Oops. Oh, wait. Either Sanki's or Todoroki's attack. It sounds the same. Yeah, the Hibiki memory is cool. I think that's an improvement of the current of the other one, which I don't have it, but I have heard. Now Kabuto. By the way, I have the. Okay, you already hear my collection of memories. I had the first release of Kabuto. Yeah. Just to compare, they sound exactly the same. First off, here's Kabuto. Its hologram. It says Kabuto here. It's silver tip. So they have the same sound. The same sounds. Yes, yes, of course. This is sounds like more of a better quality than the first release. So, yeah. Now then, again, Deno in store from here, and its logo. It says Deno here. It's gold tip. Let's hear. Nice. I think the original release didn't have this sound. Yeah. And it says Deno instead of Deno. Yeah. Although I don't have the original Deno, but I have heard the sounds. And Kiba. You see Kiba, its logo, and yeah. It says Kiba here with silver tip. Let's hear. Nice. Okay. As I heard, this is an improvement of the other first release of Kiba, which I think it was in the Gashapon set volume 3, as if I'm correct. Okay, whatever, let's try this in the double driver. Yay. Okay, I will follow the order that it says in the box. First, and I don't know. Then I will go. I will do other combinations. So first of all, Kobo and Kuga. Face rookie. Nice. How they change. Nice. I like holograms. Yeah. Go to Hibiki. Nice. And then Kiba. Nice. Now let's do some crazy combinations. Yeah. Okay. Quick summary. Those memories are very cool. I don't know how well is the best selection is in the auctions. If you find it in a good price, just have to get a middleman. I recommend Ride the Proxy. She's an excellent good middleman. And if not, you can get the other version, the normal version. I think they're still available. But if you like holograms like me, you may get one of these. And since they're candy toys, they all come with candy. Yay! More candy. Damn it. Okay. Okay, whatever. Okay, that's all for my review. Comments, rates, subscription are optional. Why for other reviews I going to heavily edit this video. It was very long. Okay, see ya. Peace.
How 誰か教えてくれバニラ熱く燃える痛みがそのターゲットを